I feel like what really pushed me over the edge was I had a couple lessons with Telemakus. Yeah, he just told me so many gems. I remember we played Green Dolphin Street and I soloed and it was some cool lines and stuff, but it didn't feel like it went anywhere. And then he's like, why don't you tell me a story, like a random story, and then play that story. I came up with like the story of like two dolphins like going down the street, like they're really excited and happy, just hanging out, and then they get mugged. That's the story I have to convey with my solo on Green Dolphin. And then it felt like after that, just talking about that with him, soloing on the tune like changed. Like it became like I was saying something.
Would you be down to give us an example?
Like,
Just come up with a story right now and improvise it for us.
Do you want to give me a story?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me give you a story. There's an ant. I'm going to name him Corey after Corey. There's an ant named Corey. And the thing is that he actually doesn't like to go along with the rest of the colony. So the colony is always doing one thing because it's a very cohabitational society and everybody's working together. But Corey just really wants to live his own story. So one day Corey leaves the colony and suddenly he opens up to the new world and he's no longer part of the colony and he's exploring. And he basically just experiences the adventure of what else life has to offer once he leaves the colony. So he sees the wonders of the world.
That's a great
also
one,
the
man.
dangers of the world, but life is no longer the mundane everyday.
We should both do a version of it.
That's a great idea. I love that. We should. That would be fun.
Yeah, let's do one each and then together. Would be
Okay.
nice.
Dude, that was beautiful.
Thanks.
And I totally heard it too,
You
man.
did, right? It's
Yeah, I totally
it's
did.
like the same life, and then it's like annoying, and he's like, keeps repeating, like, it's like, fuck this shit, and then.
And the harmony is also very like kind of mundane and ambiguous at first. And you also felt like ants, a lot of like,
Yeah, exactly.
you know?
And then he breaks away finally, but it's scary. And then when he does, he's exploring life. And he's like, wow, this is sick.
Becomes expansive.
Yeah, it becomes expensive.
It's amazing, man. So good.
I want to hear your version, or do you want to save that for later?
Yeah, sure. No, I could do one. Same story. Do you want to hear it? Or do you want to give me another story and then I'll just do a different one?
Yes, I'll give you a story.
All right, cool. Let's do it.
Should I do an ant story?
Whatever you're feeling.
Okay.
Sure,
This
it
is
can be
This
an
is
ant.
better.
Okay, good.
An ant made me think of like someone's aunt, but I'm going to think of an uncle. This uncle, he goes to do a play with a bunch of people that he doesn't really like. He likes the play, but he doesn't like the people he's doing it with, so he starts getting increasingly frustrated with it, and it all erupts into like someone dying in the play, and then it becomes a whole crazy thing, and then but some part of him feels relieved.
Okay, good. Wow, that is a complicated set of emotions. And so, did someone die? Like literally, the character died. Sorry, did the
We don't
character
know.
in the play died, or a person actually dies?
Oh no, person dies.
Okay, like an actor in the play
Yeah,
does.
like a
Okay,
person.
amazing. All right, here we go. Let's do it again.
great. You got it.
I went much more like
dying.
musical theater,
Yeah, no,
cinematic
that's
vibes.
That's perfect.
Yeah, I did my best. I tried to start out with like a apathetic uncle, kind of like he doesn't take any of this seriously at all kind of vibe. He goes to the play. He's not super happy to be there, so he's just like thinking of it all as kind of bull crap. And then like the horrible death happens in the middle, which I think I made a little melodramatic, but
no, but it's in line with that.
Make it obvious when it happens, and then kind of ending with like a okay, that's fine. And I'm not gonna lie, dude, I had an uncle in my head the whole time. I had someone who I was picturing. Uncle Larry David.
Oh, yeah.
It felt like something he'd do,
true.
right?
Yeah. That felt
so
like a Larry David.
Larry David episode.
Yeah.
That's a really fun exercise.